How to make interior website on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create your own website on squarespace.com. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. First of all, you need to create an account or log into your account on squarespace.com. As you can see, I already did it. I'm in my account. So next you just need to click this button, get started, and choose what type of website do you want to create, what's your site about, your site topic. So just type it. And here you can see it: interior design, interior decor, home decor, architecture. Just for an example, I'm gonna choose this one and move on. What do you want to do with your website? The second step, you can publish a blog or other media. You can sell services, showcase work, promote an event or project, build a community, promote a physical business, collect donations, sell products. So guys, just choose whatever you want here. And the last step, how would you like to start building your website? You can build your website with AI, or you can browse templates. I really like to choose from a curated set of professionally designed website templates. That's why I'll pick this one. And here guys, all you have to do is just to choose the best template that you think is the best for you and for your business. Just for an example, just for this video, I'm gonna choose this one. Start with this design. You can choose another one. Feel free to use the template that you think is the best for you. Now we need to create site name. For example, for this video, let's some tips, we don't need them. And now in the left you can see this menu, and in this menu you can manage some stuff about your website. You can manage products or services, invoicing, content and membership, donation, scheduling. Also you can have analytics here, very interesting one. You can check the traffic sources, geography of your visitors, amount of visits, amount of unique visitors, page views. Very essential one in my opinion. Every site owner must use this one, and very interesting one. So but now we need to go to the pages here, and maybe you want to add some pages. Now we have only two pages, home and contact. You can add a new page here, or you can delete a page like this. You can link them in the main navigation here, for example contact page. Now you can see main navigation contact. Also you can change site styles, you can change themes, fonts, colors, buttons, forms, whatever you want. Very easy to change. For example, this one. Need to reload. And now let's move on. Let's edit this template. Very easy to edit. I'll show you. First of all, you can see how this page is divided into several sections: header, this section, and footer. We can add a new section, we can add a blank section, or we can add a about section, for example. And you can see this video in the background. You can delete this video, save. So manage projects, yes, and you can delete, for example, this one. You can delete. And edit this section. It's kind of empty, and we need to add something on this section. To add something, you need to click this one, add block. You can add a text button, image, video, audio, whatever you want. For example, text and image. And we need to change this background because it's kinda only white and this is bad. Background, you can put a image here or color. You can just do it dark or blue, whatever. Click on this text and you can write whatever you want. Click on this image and you can upload the file from your computer or browse stock images. Use free images from Squarespace, for example. And very easy, you can have that image that you want. Write whatever you want. Hello. Can do it bigger. Can change the placement, change the size. You can add a button, for example, whatever you want. You can remove the section like this. You can edit footer or header, of course, the same way as we edited main sections. You need to save changes as frequently as possible, and when you're done editing your website, you need to publish it. Maybe you want to publish your website, and to publish your website so anyone can see it, you need to upgrade your account. You need to select a plan, simple plans, simple prices, only pay for what you really need. All plans come with award-winning 24/7 customer support, and we have a personal plan, business, basic or advanced. If you want to sell something on your website, I really recommend you to use basic or advanced, but if you don't, business, most popular one, maybe a nice option, only $23 per month. You can check these advantages of every plan, and when you are done, you'll be able to publish it. Instead of this button, you'll get a publish button, also blue one. So in general, the site has a lot of functions, so I recommend you to try to explore it yourself. The entire interface of the site, as you can see, is very clear to any user. And basically, I think that in this video I showed you enough of the basics of using this website. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching, guys. See you soon.